Wonders of nature. Who provides? Pray for the raven when its young cries to God and wanders about without food. Do you know the time when the wild goats of the rock give birth to their young? Do you observe the calving of the deer? Can you count the months that they carry offspring? Or do you know the time when they give birth? They kneel down, they bring forth their young, they cast out their labor pains. Their young ones become strong. They grow up in the open field. They leave and do not return to them. Job 38:41. Job 39:1-4. The great provider, who provides food for the raven when its young cries out to God, who puts the corn cob on the stilk and the beans inside the pot, who provides the thunderstorm when the earth has need for water, and who allows the smile that grace the face of my daughter. From where does the snow originate that makes the winter bright? Where does the darkness run to when, closed by the morning light, all those who wonder of nature did not just come out of the blue? They all come from the mercy of God, the maker of me and you. Until next time, Shalom.